recap on the ES price story just so that we know that we executed properly, and if we did not execute properly, we know what to do next week. So ES, we were at the rejection level that I stated. So basically, I said as expected last week, we hit the 0.5 of the weekly price story. I am expecting price to push through and eventually hit the top of the price block. However, this is a short week, so we will take it level by level. As of now, we are at that 50, which is the monthly, blah, blah, blah. So this is a crucial level to break through. I am not just expecting it to just go through it. Price could pull back to these levels. That could be the long low area. Looking at price on a 4-hour time frame, price could push through and get rejected. So basically, I said price can push through here, get rejected, and then come back and pull through. And then in the video, I made sure I went in detail on what could potentially happen. So what happened was price did push through one more time as expected, but then rejected. And if I turn on, reason why I said that is because it was a monthly fib right there. Let me turn that on. That I knew it was going to reject that. So we hadn't hit there yet initially when we was on this day, Tuesday. We was just hanging out right here. So I knew we would come there and reject it. And we rejected hard, actually. So we came down, we broke through that level, we broke through the broadening, we broke through the 39.58, and then I said the psych level would be 3,900, which it end up holding, and then to buy the dip. So if we're looking at NQ, so basically your actionable signal was only a rejection. That's the only thing that you could have played this week is 2 rev down, 2 down continuation, 2 rev up. That's it. But you could have been in it right here because you know that this is the level it needed to hold once it started holding it. Also, let me go here. Okay, let's look at the NQ. Okay, so NQ, we got the 2 up trigger on the week. And this is why I kept saying that, okay, we might still be bullish. And this is why I said I was going to buy the dip. Because I knew that NQ pushed through its price story 0.50. But it never came back and fully, retested it. So I was expecting it to come back. That's why I was like, we're going to reject at this level. It's almost clear that we're rejecting. I even told people on live that, okay, we're going to have a red day the next day. And we had a really bad red day. So basically, I was saying once it get back to the 150 price story, load there. That's where you're going to load. So that's where you probably see me say, I'll be buying a dip. When everybody was buying puts, I was buying a dip because I was going to load at my 50. We never tested it. And I knew we would immediately bounce. And if you look at NQ, that's exactly what we did. We came down and bounced immediately. Immediately. And rip back up. And I anticipate us to, well, I got to look at price now. I haven't looked at it for next week, but obviously, top of the box. One more little push. But this is where you load. And then that's all ES was moving faster than NQ. So once I knew ES would continue to keep dropping until NQ hit the 0.5. So as long as NQ was not near this area, I was in puts. I was able to play the second day down because I was like, NQ ain't near that level. When NQ got here, that's when I got out and started buying reversal, buying calls, buying the dip on this. So congrats to anybody that took it. Your actionable signal was only to play the rejection. That's it. It was not, it was only rejection and buy the dip. That's it. It wasn't buy calls at the rejection level and be holding a bag, which eventually would have came back anyway. But I look forward to putting the price story out next week. I hope you guys are banking and making money. Let's get it.